my mom's friend's house right now. They have a baby shower, which is sleeping. But what the hell is that? It's coming from in that room. Why is the door closed? Let me hear that. Let me see. What's in there? Is there a washing machine in there? Yeah, there is, I think. Let's open up this door and find out. Let's find out. It is a washing machine. Let me turn on the light in here so I can see it. Here it is. Here it is. The Whirlpool. It's on an excellent thing. It's almost done. It's almost done. So right now it's a Whirlpool. We're doing my mom's baby's clothes today. So why can not just focus it? Sorry about that. Sorry about that, everyone. It's a Whirlpool. The Whirlpool that just all cold pieces. And we got extra rinses on the switch. I'm going to leave that on. And right now it says no softener added, and this is the other things. And the duty, you have different settings. I'm going to leave it on normal. And this is the cycle. Right now we're doing an extra rinse, so it's almost at spin. So, and it's done, so it's gonna spin. I think it's gonna spin, but this gets really loud. Because guess what? It's clicking to go and spin. Ready? Here it goes. Ready, guys? I'm like stepped out. Oh, there it is. Okay, let's see. How much is it going to do it